This is the Eagle Grit wall dispenser that is used for our tubs, part number T04. Comes with directions, also comes with a little bag with some screws and these little yellow punch things. I don't know what they're called, but they're cool and they matter. First thing you're gonna wanna do is loosen up the screws underneath the dispenser. This is a way to get the back plate off of the unit. Remember, you don't need to go all the way out, just loosen up a bit like that. Next step, you're gonna wanna get a nice good grip on the shaft, grab the top of the dispenser and slide it forward and have your back plate fall off just like that. The next step is to take the back plate, use a Sharpie and make dots on the 4 holes where the screw will go. Next step is to drill into the wall. Make sure there's nothing electrical behind this because we don't want you to die. Ah! Just kidding. There you go. Next thing is to take these cool little yellow guys and stick them into, all right, I need to open those up a little bit more. There we go. Hone that baby out. There we go. Now we're ready to put the back plate on. Remember, if you don't have zero skill with one of these like I do, you want to get the magnetic screws, see? Because without it, this might take way longer. And just screw the back plate in. I like to start on the top left, then head down to the bottom right. All right, now this is the most important part of the video if you want to get this thing on right. You want to make sure all 4 of these screws are drilled all the way in, and then you want to back out the top just a little bit to get these hooks to come off the wall. It'll help the wall mount slide on a little bit better. Now make sure that the top is backed out just a bit, but the screw does have to be flush on the back plate. Next step is to make sure that the top is slid forward so that we can get right here on the back plate. Give it a little push down. And now once you push it down, you can slide back across the ledge. The last step is to tighten up the screws on the top of the dispenser, the ones that we loosened up earlier. Now that your dispenser is firm against the wall, slide up the 1-gallon tub of Eagle Grit, push it onto the back plate, ready to wash hands.